Alright, so here is the best way on how you can play 1v1 Bedwars in Roblox. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can play 1v1 Bedwars. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So let's say now you want to 1v1 with a random on Bedwars. So there are two ways on how you can 1v1 someone. The first one is by, you can just 1v1 with randoms. It's just simply you press on play and you need to go to classic. And right over here, you can just play solos right over here, and it's one player per team. So it's 1v1 with all the other players. So that's the first way. But then if you want a 1v1 with a friend, what you can do is just simply press on play again. And right over here, you'll see the option of customs. Go ahead and press on customs. And right over here, you will be able to see create a game options. Go ahead and press on create a game. And right over here, you can just create your own game by just keeping it private and, select the game mode type and the map, whatever you would like to choose. And yeah, you can also do arena solo and then choose arena and then put in your name, and you can choose your own map as well. And right after that, just press on create match, and it's just going to create the match. And here we go. Now you can just invite your friend to whatever you're playing, and your friend can join it, and you can run you on them in Bed Wars. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.